Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V cordless angle impact wrench from Parkside, the model PAWS 20A1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. One battery series, over 100 devices from Parkside. Torque pre-selection 2 levels, 40 and 76 Nm. Impact rate 0 to 2400 and 3400 IPM. No load rotation speed from 0 to 1700 and 2250 RPM. Accessories included, recommended battery 20V 2Ah with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice durable case. We have the manual. 4 sockets, 23mm, 21mm, 19mm and 17mm. One adapter, 12238 CRV, and the tool, 1-2 square drive at the front. You can connect the adapter and then connect smaller socket or directly the socket. (23mm). We have the on-off switch, working LED light, soft elements around, I like that, left and right switch on here, belt clip, and of course we have the gear switch, the button first and second. We need batteries. You can use the regular batteries 2Ah or 4Ah, or the professional batteries 4Ah and 8Ah. I will use the 4Ah. Lock it. First speed. And left rotation. Robust housing, it feels very durable tool. You can install the belt clip and at the right if you want. Metal at the front here. You can use it with one hand. If that is possible, it depends the application you want to use it. So let's move on for testing, see how it works. We can see the button cover is of poor quality. It is worth trying to remove the bolts from the wheel without positive results, but was worth a try. Obviously it doesn't have the power, so use it more for light work. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY tips and hands-on demos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay powered, stay precise, and I'll see you in the next video.